Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming you are an admin and have two-factor access ready. This prevents lockout during fixes. Open the Facebook page on desktop and mobile simultaneously so you can compare behaviors. Once done, note the app or browser version, clear cache quickly, and disable browser extensions. This rules out local issues. Make sure another page, admin, is available to approve changes or accept invites, because some fixes require a second admin to complete settings changes or role swaps. Now diagnose. Review page roles and publishing permissions to ensure your account can post and respond. Restricted roles cause unresponsiveness. Next, check page quality for policy strikes or blocks, since automated restrictions can freeze interactions. Then verify country and age restrictions, because those silently limit visibility. If the page still hangs, switch to an incognito window or a different device and disable third-party integrations. This isolates app conflicts. Keep notes of each change so you can revert. Finish by re-enabling features slowly and testing core flows. Publish a post, send and reply to a message, and comment as the page to confirm responsiveness. If issues persist, open the support inbox, use business help, or submit an appeal through the Help Center. Include screenshots, timestamps, and exact error text. Make sure to mention any recent changes, app versions, or admin role edits. If you still can't fix it, duplicate the issue steps clearly when contacting support. This speeds resolution and prevents repeated troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.